Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, DSers tracking. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory yourself. This can be a great way to start an online business or to add new products to your existing store. One of the things that I've always been curious about is whether or not DSers provides tracking for its orders. In this video, I'm going to answer that question and provide you with some additional information about DSers tracking. What is DSers? Before we get into the details of DSers tracking, let's take a quick look at what DSers is. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect your Shopify store to a number of suppliers. When a customer places an order on your store, DSers will automatically place the order with the supplier on your behalf. The supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. Does DSers provide tracking? The answer to this question is yes and no. DSers does not provide its own tracking numbers for orders. However, they do allow you to connect your DSers account to your AliExpress account. This will allow you to see the tracking information for your AliExpress orders within your DSers account. How to connect your DSers account to your AliExpress account? If you want to see the tracking information for your AliExpress orders within your DSers account, you will need to connect your DSers account to your AliExpress account. Here's how to do it. Log in to your DSers account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the AliExpress tab. Enter your AliExpress username and password. Click on the Connect button. Once you have connected your DSers account to your AliExpress account, you will be able to see the tracking information for your AliExpress orders within your DSers account. What are the benefits of using DSers tracking? There are a number of benefits to using DSers tracking. You can see the status of your AliExpress orders in one place. You can get an estimated delivery date for your AliExpress orders. You can track your AliExpress orders from your DSers account. What are the drawbacks of using DSers tracking? There are also a few drawbacks to using DSers tracking. You need to have an AliExpress account. You need to connect your DSers account to your AliExpress account. The tracking information may not be as accurate as the tracking information provided by the shipping carrier. Alternatives to DSers tracking. If you don't want to use DSers tracking, there are a few other options available to you. You can use a third-party tracking service, such as ShipTrack or AfterShip. You can contact the supplier directly for tracking information. DSers does not provide its own tracking numbers for orders. However, they do allow you to connect your DSers account to your AliExpress account. This will allow you to see the tracking information for your AliExpress orders within your DSers account. There are a number of benefits to using DSers tracking, but there are also a few drawbacks. If you don't want to use DSers tracking, there are other options available to you. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. DSers is a great platform for dropshipping, and it does provide tracking for your orders. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before you start using DSers tracking. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.